Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you a quick and easy tip to find the dead main compass. So let's get started. First, just go to the Lost Isle area, and before you enter the Lost Isle, just look around the sea surface buildings around it in this area, and then just find the stone building that has sign a sign like this and then next just get closer to this stone building, and then next just equip your diving gear, and then next just go to the underwater and you'll find the dead man compass over here. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.